So last week was Odoo Partner Day, and they got a preview of what is likely coming in Odoo version 20. And I say likely because they said these are things that we will probably do, so take these with a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to focus on the things that I think were the best improvements, and I'm also going to have a little bit of commentary as far as the stuff that I really wish they'd still fix. But if you want the whole list of everything that's looking like it's going to change, go ahead and join my weekly mailing list. It's linked below. So the biggest thing, and it's probably no surprise to anybody here, especially the way that AI is basically in everything now, is that Odoo is leaning even more heavily into AI. AI agents are going to take a step up. They're going to get even better with creating records, changing things up, reading PDFs, being much more helpful as little AI employees for you. They're also adding a little AI auditor, which will look through your stuff, try and flag anomalies, make sure that you're not getting anything crazy going on. They're also making it possible for you to vibe code the website, which will be interesting to see how that actually plays out. But the way that they're saying is that you'll be able to say, hey, can you add this field? Or can you move this over here? Or maybe change this design or this coloring? Could be kind of cool. Add to this the fact that now you have AI directly built into Odoo SH, so you can develop third-party modules there. That is pretty dang cool. I don't know if any of you guys have seen that, but I'm going to be playing with that soon, so stay tuned for that bit. All that being said, I really, really wish that they would make studio work a bit better with AI. I mean, that'd be kind of cool, right? Being able to vibe code directly in the front end of Odoo. I don't know. We'll wait and see. In inventory, they're saying that they've improved the on-hand and the costing for the inventory, and hopefully they've improved the inventory accounting. Kind of took a step back in 19. We'll see. Suggests that they may have done something with that, so that would be nice. Intercompany transfers are supposed to also improve, which would be really cool. I know there are a lot of people that have asked for something like that. Sales has actually gotten a lot more attention than I expected it to get this time. You can now set up prices based on a unit of measure. That's pretty cool. Services and materials, they're doing a sales order refresh, and then fulfillment seems to be getting a lot better as well. It sounds like as well they're trying to improve the customer flow quite a bit. They've added a couple things as far as like an automation for signatures. That's pretty cool. Being able to do more with the field service app, making it a little bit more manageable, where we can talk about routing optimization to make sure we're hitting our routes in the best way as far as where we're driving to, that sort of stuff. Some pretty cool stuff there. They're talking about improving payroll quite a bit, though I would still say payroll is not really an Odoo native thing. If you want something kind of like QuickBooks payroll, Odoo doesn't do that. They're actually throwing return management in e-commerce as well, so that could be interesting, could be kind of useful. And lastly, it looks like they're going to tie into TikTok Marketplace in base Odoo, so that could be useful too. So let's take a few moments and talk about the stuff that they're not addressing that, man, I really wish they would, and it seems like they should. There is still no talk of making the report builder better. If you guys saw my video on this, it has been a couple of versions since they really kind of broke the report builder and made it much worse to use. And I understand that any kind of customizations are hopefully going to be made better by this ability to tie Claude in, but that doesn't help anybody that's in online, and it's also something that feels pretty scary for a lot of people. So why don't we just fix report builder, make it work properly? I also don't see that they've actually confirmed that they're going to fix inventory accounting. And I understand some people say that inventory accounting is better in 19, but honestly, it makes it so much harder to make good business decisions. Your margins, everything else, so much harder to track. I wish they would just give you the option to go back to the way that it was. Sure, the timing differences were a little bit difficult to manage sometimes, but it made for a much more accurate picture. Okay, I may have some other gripes, but how do I feel about the way that Odoo 20 is looking? Well, it doesn't look like they've broken anything, which is great, but again, this is a preliminary roadmap. It's not necessarily what they've actually changed. It's the stuff that they're thinking about changing. So we have to kind of wait for Odoo 20 to see what actually happened. The reason I say this is because the people that I'm talking to, Odoo 19 is their least favorite version over the last several. It's not as good. But I guess we'll see. Maybe this will end up being kind of like Windows, where people liked 95, then they didn't like 98, then they liked XP. Maybe that sort of thing. We'll see. But I'd love to hear from you guys. Maybe you think I'm wrong. Maybe you think there's something that I should have highlighted that I didn't. Maybe there's something that I missed entirely. I don't know. I'd love to hear about it. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. Let's keep that discussion going, and maybe Odoo will look at that stuff.